In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Exness to TradingView. Whether you're diving into the world of Forex trading or you're a seasoned trader looking to streamline your tools, understanding how to navigate these platforms efficiently is crucial. So, let's get started. First, head over to the TradingView website in your preferred browser. Once the page has loaded, you'll need to log into your account. You'll find the login option typically at the top right corner of the homepage. If you don't already have an account, now's a great opportunity to create one. TradingView offers a straightforward sign-up process with options to use your email or even connect via social media accounts like Google or Facebook. Having an account not only allows you to connect with brokers, but also lets you customize charts, set alerts, and engage with the trading community. Once you're logged in and ready to explore, navigate to the trading panel. This is the section where you'll find various brokers listed, ready to be connected for real-time trading. It's quite convenient as it integrates a multitude of brokerages, providing a seamless experience for executing trades and analyzing data without needing to juggle multiple platforms. However, at this moment, it's important to note that Exness is not supported by TradingView directly. This might sound a bit disappointing if you were hoping for a straightforward connection, but don't worry, there are viable alternatives. One alternative is to use what's often referred to as the Exness terminal. This terminal functions similarly to TradingView, offering robust charting tools and features tailored to meet your trading needs. While it may not host the same design or interactive features you might be used to, it serves as an effective stand-in to ensure your trading strategies remain intact and operational. If you're looking for another way to keep working with TradingView, consider using its paper trading feature. Paper trading allows you to trade with virtual funds in real time, which can be incredibly beneficial, especially if you're testing new strategies or honing your skills without risking real money. It mimics real market conditions, giving you a safer environment to practice. While this isn't a direct connection to Exness, it provides a robust platform for analysis and backtesting. Navigating the landscape of trading platforms can occasionally present challenges like these, but with the right knowledge and slight adjustments, you can maintain effective and efficient trading practices. By using the Exness terminal for direct trading and utilizing TradingView's paper trading for practice and analysis, you're positioning yourself for continued success and growth in your trading journey. I hope this guide clarifies how you can work around the limitations and continue leveraging the strengths of both platforms. Happy trading, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.